calling member service. My name is Paulo. How may I help you today?
I want to know my bill.
In order for me to help you, it's okay to ask you a few questions.
Yes,
May I have your name, please?
alias Smith.
How about the phone number with your account?
Okay, this is my phone number, 0944443333.
Farwell, you mentioned that you want to know your bill. Mr. Smith, the bill that was generated on your account is $599.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Smith, if you want, you may now provide your credit information so I can set up your account in automatic payment.
No, thank you. I just call you back.
Is there anything else that I can assist you with?
No,
Was able to address your concern to your certification.
yes, of course. Thank you for your help.
Thank you for calling member service again. My name is Paulo. Have a great day.